to a spot that we've never been to before and not responding. I think that would be awkward and strange.
Governor,
yeah.
if I may, I think that's a very cogent argument for what's wrong with the Obama budget, but I don't think it answers the question. We've got a terrible economic recession. We have a financial crisis in terms of what's going on Wall Street that we've never seen before. We've talked for years about doing something about alternative energy.
Can I interject?
Well, let me just ask the question, and then you can answer it.
Sure.
And health care. So what is the new Republican response? Not what's wrong with Obama. What's the new Republican response?
Well, I say that the, quote, new Republican response is going back to principles that we didn't articulate over the last 8 years. Republicans, in many cases, campaigned on the notion of being conservative. They just didn't govern that way. And so I would say the new response is, in fact, going back to our roots of what made the party great. And so that means, for instance, on the stock market, it is not true to say what you just suggested, which is we've never been to this spot before. In fact, we have. If you look at the history of both our financial pages in this country and across the globe, there have been any number of different financial crises. The question is, how do you respond? If you overreact, you tend to make them worse and deeper, and that seems to be what we're doing. With regard to health care, the same folks, I mean, what we're saying here, or what the administration is saying, is one size fits all. And yet God makes every one of us different. We all have different ailments, different needs, and the notion of more flexibility in our health care delivery system, I think, is vital, not only to impacting cost, but to impacting the quality of care. With regard to energy, you can't have your cake and eat it too. You cannot say we're not going to do nuclear energy. We're not, because Harry Reid happens to live in Nevada, we're not going to provide a national dumping ground, but we'll just kind of do something else. But it's sort of undetermined as to what something else. I love wind, I love solar, but in terms of handling the base load of this country, it won't get you there. So I think that what the Republicans are talking about are actually meaningful alternatives to simply going out and having the government take over yet a much, much larger sphere of the economy as represented by that 24 or 28% number.
Governor Sanford, I'm glad I pursued it with you. I got a good answer there. Thank you, sir.
To be continued.
Yes, absolutely. And with this debate, there's going to be plenty of time to talk about it. Governor Mark Sanford of South Carolina, thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure.